Cobo Vault Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the Cobo Vault Wallet. Links to the product and additional details are in the description below. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth look at its features, strengths, and weaknesses, so you'll have all the information you need. The Cobo Vault Wallet is a hardware wallet designed with top-tier security in mind, making it a popular choice for crypto investors who prioritize safety. Its air-gap design ensures complete isolation from any network connections, minimizing risks of hacks and unauthorized access. Instead of using USB or Bluetooth, it utilizes QR codes for offline signing, which significantly enhances its resistance to cyber threats. The wallet also features military-grade encryption chips to safeguard private keys. One standout feature of the Cobo Vault Wallet is its self-destruct mechanism, which activates if the device detects physical tampering. This, combined with its waterproof and drop-resistant metal casing, ensures optimal protection for your crypto assets even under extreme conditions. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of ERC20 tokens, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. For added functionality, the Cobo Vault Wallet integrates with the Cobo Wallet app, allowing users to track balances, manage portfolios, and access staking options for passive income. The wallet's open-source firmware ensures transparency and allows advanced users to verify its security protocols. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. The device's high price point might deter casual users or those with smaller crypto holdings. Its size and weight make it less portable compared to other hardware wallets. Additionally, the reliance on QR codes for transactions, while secure, might feel cumbersome to some users accustomed to faster methods like USB or Bluetooth connectivity. In conclusion, the Cobo Vault Wallet is an excellent choice for those seeking maximum security and durability in a hardware wallet. Its robust features are tailored for serious investors and institutions managing significant crypto holdings. If security is your top priority, it's worth considering. Check out the links in the description to learn more.